Which types of soil cover most of Deccan Plateau? Correct answer, black soil. How many sports were there in Asian Games 2018? Correct answer, 47. The Koyna, Tungabhadra and Bhima river are the major tributaries of which of the following river? Correct answer, Krishna. Alkananda and Bhagirathi meet at. Correct answer, Devaprayaga. Which is the largest state of India on the basis of area? Correct answer, Rajasthan. The iron pillar near Qutub Minar in Delhi was made by. Correct answer, Chandragupta II. Who was the court poet of Chalukyan ruler Pulkeshi II? Correct answer, Ravikirti. Which water body surrounds India in the west? Correct answer, Arabian Sea. Sardar Sarovar Dam is located in. Correct answer, Gujarat. Satre is a dance form which has its origin in which state of India? Correct answer, Assam.